Good morning, VIPKID teachers. I wanted to share with you my personal story of cancellations and for the newer teachers, let you know kind of how that happens. So yesterday, I was way too sick. Not only was I sick, I couldn't teach and I had 6 classes. It's really hard to cancel. But I was up with my twins. One threw up, then the other threw up, and my littlest one was throwing up the night before. And then when my twins are sick, my husband was also sick. So it's running here, running there, running there, running there. Couldn't get any sleep. And I knew I couldn't, even if I had not have gotten sick, I knew I wasn't going to be awake enough to give them a quality class. But then I got sick anyways, so I decided to cancel the night before. Now, the best way to cancel is 24 hours in advance because you won't get any pay taken off. You won't get that $2 deducted. But I was waiting because I didn't want to cancel. And if you wait, then you're going to get a little money deducted per class. But if you still cancel before that 2 hour mark before class, it will look better, a lot better on you. And then that gives the company time to find a teacher to fill in for your class. But this got to me. I was preparing because I thought I was going to teach, and then I got sick. Well, then I was preparing for my classes today, which I'm able to teach, and one of my students, she opted out. She decided not to go with another teacher, and it's the same exact lesson. And I was about to cry. She had so much, that's just, to me, she had so much compassion and patience to wait for me. It's so sweet. And I'm going to see her today. But just looking over it, I was planning on her maybe taking it with another teacher and then I would do the next class. But she just waited. And I was like, how sweet is that student? That doesn't happen very often. So, anyways, you can cancel. Okay, add 6 classes canceled. That counts as an official 3 classes because it's 2 classes. Excuse me, it's 3 classes. I canceled 6 classes. So that's 1 cancellation, 3 classes, 2 cancellations. You can't get more than an official 2 cancellations per day. That means if I would have taught more than 6 classes, I still would have just got docked the 2 cancellations per day. So that's good that they do that. Now, of course, you can apply for soft cancellation, medium cancellation, but I don't have a doctor's note because when my family gets a stomach flu, it's too much money to go to the doctor, and I don't want to get other people sick. So I just take it as a cancellation, and I write to them and let them know, please let my students know. And of course, when you cancel, you get to show your reason why you're canceling. And also we can send cards. We used to be able to send cards whenever for free, but that was kind of a lot because then all the children would send you cards. You could send all the children cards. Now it's more special. You have to spend some of your tokens. They have to spend some of their tokens or gems to give you something. So it's more special. So that being said, that student that stuck with me and is going to take me today and could have taken another teacher yesterday, I definitely sent her a card right away and let her know how appreciative I am of that because that's very, very rare. But yes, so again, if you have to cancel 6 times in one day, that only counts as 1, 2 cancellations. That's it for one day. And you're only allowed 6 official cancellations. So say I taught 6 classes and I had to cancel every time I was sick, I had to cancel all my classes. That's 1, 2 cancellations. That means I get 3 sick days, 2, 4, 6, only 3 sick days during the 6th month contract. That's why it's important that if you have a reason and you have, especially if you have something that's, for me, it's easy to get proof from our electric company. They'll email me an official little thing. If my electricity goes out, I'm getting that official thing and trying to get at least a medium cancellation so it doesn't count towards your 6 official cancellations. So let me know below if you have any questions. I hope this was very clear and easy to understand. That's my story. It's literally yesterday when I had to cancel, and I've been with VIPKID for over a year, and I try not to get sick, but I usually hit close to that 6 minute mark every 6 months. It's harder with kids because you have to obviously we want to take care of our kids, so it's a little bit more difficult. So I'm excited they have that little soft cancellation. I hope it just keeps getting better, and it's easier to give proof of being sick without officially having to go to the doctor because that's really hard on moms. Happy teaching.